Today's video is in response to a recent user request we got, and essentially they wanted to understand how two filters, next working day and last working day, worked, and whether there was any way of being able to use their own holidays, their own calendars, essentially, when working out working days. And the answer is you can do it in AdapTable. It's a very hidden feature. We should make more of it in our documentation, and we will. But hopefully in this video, we'll show you how it works. So at the moment, we have a whole series of trade dates, completely random dates. It's all dummy data. Don't worry too much about the data. And you can see that we've just added a format just to kind of make the data a bit clearer. So the first thing to point out is if you do want to know what the last and next working days are, then you can do last working day. Today is Sunday the 30th of October, so the last working day was Friday the 28th, and the next working day will be tomorrow, which is Monday the 31st. So that's fine, and essentially out of the box, all AdapTable does is it effectively excludes weekends. But obviously you might have your own calendars, you might have your own preferences, your own dates, and you can do that in general options. Here's the code, and it's through the holidays property, and there's two ways that you can provide it. So let's start with the basic way, which is a list, and this list allows you to provide literally a list of dates. So here we've said that the 28th of October is a holiday, that was last Friday, and we said the 31st of October, which is tomorrow, are both holidays. So if I save that and then I run my data, the data refreshes, and this time, if I go into last working day, you can see I see Thursday the 27th because we said Friday was a working day, and if I do next working day, it jumps to November the 1st because again, we said Monday was a working day. Alternatively, or indeed additionally, you can provide a isHoliday function. This function takes a date and it returns a boolean for true if that date is a holiday. So in this case here, we've actually also provided you with a convenience function called isSameDay, which essentially ignores the time portions of the date, but you can use kind of anything you want. And here we've said that the 1st of November, remember for some reason I've never ever been able to understand till my dying day, JavaScript has decided that dates are going to use 0 index a month. So we've said that for the 1st of November and the 2nd of November, they are also holidays. And because we haven't commented this out, this will work as well. So essentially we're going to say 28th, last Friday, the 31st, which is Monday, and indeed Tuesday and Wednesday are now all holidays. So if I save this, and we rerun the dummy data. Now, if I go to next working day, you can see that it's jumped to Thursday because we've added those. So they're kind of ways of giving calendars. Now, mostly you probably will use it as filters, but because these are predicates, and in fact, just before we come to that, you actually have two others. So if you can have a predicate which shows you all your working days, or we have one which can show you just your holidays. And obviously it includes Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday because they were the holidays we provided. So as I say, these are all using filters, but because they are adaptable predicates, you can use them in multiple places. So for instance, if you wanted to know when is the next working day because you kind of wanted to list, trades which kind of are coming up, which you need to deal with, then you can do that and you can create a format column, or you can use it in various ways. So here, let's use a format column. So we'll use it on trade date, and the condition will be the predicate, and we will say we want to see the next working day. And now let's provide that with a style. So let's kind of make it yellow and let's make it bold. And now you can see anything which is Thursday, November the 3rd, because we said they were the next working days, appear like this. So there we are. Calendars are dates that you, the developers, provide to your instance of AdapTable, and they can be used here. In fact, they're also used in various places in queries and what have you. But essentially, yes, AdapTable does give you the ability to define when your holidays are, and then they are used through the calendar API as required. Hope that was helpful. As always, thanks for watching. Any questions or queries, please get in touch and we'd love to tell you more.